Hey guys, welcome to the video. So XRP season has begun. I like the ring of that. That is a phrase that I did not create, did not coin, but I think it is a good one. XRP season has begun. It has it. So let's talk about XRP, talk about our XRP price prediction and the latest XRP news. We got a lot to discuss. And we're going to talk about the price of XRP possibly from an XRP price prediction by the end of July. And it's a pretty big number relatively. And so compared to where we're at right now. So let's take a look at this. Before I jump into this, I need to make you guys aware. I have a brand new stock channel. Links are in the description below if you want to go check it out. And I would appreciate any support you could throw over there. Subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Made the one video, got another video coming later today. So this is going to be over on the stock side, what I've done for crypto. So news, commentary, insight, stock picks, lots of good stuff coming over there. So if you are involved or want to be more involved on the stock side and you like what I'm doing for you on the crypto side, I appreciate any support you could offer over there, and as way of subscription or subscribing or liking or whatever. All right, I appreciate that. So links are down in the description below. You'll see it. All right. So like I said, XRP price prediction on the 7-day, we are up 9.4%. And I want to share with you this. So in the last 17 days, we're up 23%. You can see where we went down and bounced and hit that $2 range, and now we're at $2.46. So approximately 17 days ago, you can see right in that range, we bounced off of that $2 support, and now we're on our way to break through that resistance of approximately 258, 260 in that range, okay, which is a key number that I need you to be aware of. So be aware of that $2.60 range. That is a massive amount of resistance we have there. And so I wanted you to be aware of that. Okay. So XRP season has started, quote. I think that's pretty good. For the end of July, we're talking about an XRP price prediction. Sorry about that. I'm fighting a little bit of a chest cold here. So I got that going on, which is lots of fun. Okay. So we have definitely broken through and reclaimed and gotten into that $2.40 range. We're looking really nicely, moving up at a pretty nice clip. Now, again, not all things XRP can go up all the time, right? It just doesn't happen that way. So do I expect to pull back in the near future? A little bit, but we've got the overall market going up. We're up 2.23%, 3.460 trillion. Bitcoin up 2.15. Ethereum up 4.3. In fact, I was told yesterday online that Bitcoin did achieve a new all-time high, but it's still not showing. It went past 112,000, but it may have just wicked up real quickly and came back down. But right now we're at 111,416, and our all-time high is still showing at 111.9. Yeah, I know this is an XRP video, but I needed to look at that because, hey, obviously Bitcoin being 60+% of the entire crypto market, we've got to look at kind of see what Bitcoin's doing, and XRP is not going to go up in a vacuum by itself. Okay, so back to what we're talking about. So let's get into this XRP price prediction. I'll cut to the chase right there. Can't wait. $4.35 XRP end of July. Oop, there's Raider giving you his opinion on that. Okay, so he's actively watching out the front of the house. So XRP price prediction, $4.35 XRP price by the end of July. Do you think that's real? What do you think? What's your opinion on that? Drop in the comments below. If you're on X, drop in the comments. We'd love to hear from you that as well. I think that's doable, especially if we continue to see the overall market rise and everything in the overall market go up as well. Now, the all-time high for XRP set back, 8 years ago, right there is $3.84. So obviously, if we can achieve this $4.35 price, we will blow past that all-time high of $3.84. And that's really the expectation. So remember some key numbers in this video that I've told you. We need to continue to have momentum. We need to continue to have days where we're going up. We need to break through this resistance of $2.60. That is a key resistance. XRP has really been consolidating, and you can see it. Let me show you this. It's been consolidating. I realize that's kind of a real kind of, let me get this better for you right here. XR right there. So there's a good view of it. XRP has been consolidating since the first week of December. Just to put that in perspective, from there to where we're at right now, we're looking at, in this red box, 221 days. So XRP has been consolidating in that range that I was telling you about. And that's why that $2.60 range is so important to break through, move past, on our way to A, breaking $3, then beyond that, B, $3.84, which is our all-time high. And we will have pushbacks along the way, and then quite possibly $4.35. Now, is there a chance of that in July? Yeah, I think there's an outside chance of that. I think 100% $4.35 and beyond is incredibly a fairly easily attained number by the end of 2025. Remember, I talk to you guys about this all the time, how the fourth quarter of 2025, so October, November, December, are lining up to really be the in the fourth quarter, the 3 months where we will see all of crypto just explode. Bitcoin 130 to 100, to 190, 200,000, XRP $5 to $10, and kind of in those ranges. Ethereum breaking its all-time high of 4,800 and change, and so forth and so on. Okay, so those are the numbers I need you to be aware of. Do we have a shot at $4.35 by the end of July? Yeah, if we see some catalyst, we see a lot of liquidity coming back into the market. Maybe pull that back a little bit. Maybe it's $3 and maybe it's $3.50, $3.80. Maybe we can beat that all-time high by the end of July. We'll see. And we'll see how it kind of plays out. Okay. So like I said, XRP price prediction there. So if you're interested and you want to know more about my software that can tell you when to buy and when to sell, like it gave a buy alert here and all the way, and now we're up 25+%. See that green? That's a buy alert. So that's a buy alert, and then we haven't had a sell alert, but you can see it working right there for you. So buy here, and then you would have already $1,000 bought would have been already $241 in profit. You can use it on stocks too. This is Netflix. See right here in the upper left-hand corner, this is the Netflix chart. So buy here, buy, sell. In 91 days, up 60%. So $1,000 bought would have made you over $601 in profit in 91 days. Okay, so this is showing you real time how it works. Okay, so the software runs on an iPhone, runs on your Android, runs on any computer. You can run it in multiple locations. It's fine with me. And the software costs about $1.15 per day. Quarterly options the cheapest. There's a discount code. The link's in the description below called X1 Algo. That's the name of the software. X1 Algo is right down there. 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee for you. So you can try the software really for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you get a complete refund and cancel and all that. So Ethereum right here, buy here, no seller right here at the top. You can see in 17 days is up 25%. Bitcoin, buy here. You can see Bitcoin started to move up 17 days ago, gave a buy alert, up 10%. XLM, buy here. See, we're already up in 8 days, 27%. So $2,000 bought would have already made you $550 plus in profit. Okay. So just saying, look, take your blinders off. Are you using any type of technology to help you know when to buy or when to sell crypto or stocks? That's what the software really does. And it actually, you can set it up where it gives you little pop-up alerts that come in on your phone. Okay. So little pop-ups, it'll say buy XRP, sell XRP, buy whatever, and sell this or whatever. Okay. So give it a look. Links in the description below. Would love to hear from you and have you on board. We got a Discord behind it, all that kind of stuff. Appreciate you. Have a good one.